way.
Ever try to hold back your feelings? But it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It has been a very long time since I have uploaded here on YouTube. I have so much to tell you guys about where I've been, and I will be doing that in my next video. Today's video is just going to be quick and short, how I apply my press-ons and get them to last. This is everything you get in my press-on kits when you order press-ons from me. You get a file, a cuticle pusher, alcohol wipes, a buffer, some nail glue, and cuticle oil that I hand blend myself, along with your custom or your full set of press-on nails. The first step for me when prepping to apply my press-on nails is to clip the corners off of my natural nails. My nails have been sized properly from sidewall to sidewall, but sometimes I notice the corners of my nails tend to fold downward, and that could be a point where moisture could enter and affect the adhesion of my press-on nails, or snagging on my hair could occur. So I just try to clip my corners off, and that seems to help with the longevity of my press-on nails. So in your press-on nail kit, you will receive a mini nail file. I'm not going to use this one because I don't want to waste it. I'm just going to grab a file that I have on hand just to make sure that the free edge of my nails are not jagged, and to make sure the corners that we clipped off are nice and smooth. Now that our natural nails have been filed even, I'm just using a dust brush to remove any dust from my nails. And as you can see, the corners and free edge have been filed smooth. And now we are moving on to the next step. The next step in prepping for your press-on application is going to be pushing your cuticles back. You cannot skip this step. You will receive a wooden pusher in your press-on kit, but I highly advise that you invest in a metal cuticle pusher. They are very affordable, and you can find them on Amazon or Shein. I will link a couple down below for you, but you want to gently push back that cuticle and create almost a pocket between your cuticle area and your natural nail plate. This will allow your press-ons to adhere much better, and you will get longer wear from your press-on set. This should be done very gently. If you feel any pain or discomfort, you are doing it way too hard. You should feel it, but it shouldn't hurt at all. And also, do not throw your cuticle pusher away. I tell people to keep their cuticle pusher and glue together for future use. It will help with removal of your press-ons, but yeah, don't throw it away. The cuticle area is where a lot of the oils in our nails come from, and that can cause your press-ons to pop off once that oil is produced. So you want to go ahead and get as much of that off of your nail plate as possible. Go ahead and put your cuticle pusher to the side and let's move to the next step. Our nails have been trimmed, filed, and our cuticles have been pushed back. The next step is to grab your buffing block. It is the same grit on both sides, and you just want to lightly buff over your natural nails. This will remove the shine and any oils that may be on your nails. You want to do this gently and evenly. Make sure that you buff the surface of the entire nail, especially near that cuticle area. You want to put the edge of your buffing block right up against that cuticle area and buff anything that you can see on your nail. Any type of dead skin or cuticle that may be left over, just gently buff over that area as well. Once all of my nails are buffed, I'm going back in with my dust brush just to remove any dust that has accumulated onto my nails. This next step is totally optional. This is a cuticle nipper that I have. I just do this step out of habit. You don't have to do this, but it does help with the appearance of your press-ons and just making your nails look nice and neat. That little pocket we created also has a small line of demarcation. You can see where the dead skin is at, and just gently nip that off. Again, if you don't feel comfortable doing this or you simply don't want to do this, you don't have to do this. It just makes the nail application look better in my opinion. And like I said, it's just habit. It's just a part of my normal prep. These nippers also are very affordable and easy to find on Amazon or Shein. I will also link some down below for you. Yeah, just trim off the dead areas that you see. And yeah. Now that we have trimmed our nails, filed and shaped them, we've buffed them, and we have pushed our cuticles back and nipped off the dead skin, you want to take an alcohol wipe and thoroughly clean off your nail beds. You want to make sure there is no dust or oil on your nails. And I always say at this point, you don't want to touch anything. Don't scratch your face, don't rub your hair, don't scratch your scalp, don't touch your clothes. You want your nails to be completely clean and dry. The alcohol will also act as a dehydrator, and you don't want to contaminate your nails with any type of oils or anything. So your nails should already be laid out for you, the correct sizes that you need by this point. I want to show you that your nails from me have already been etched to help with adhesion. I remove the shine from the inside of the nail so that they hold better when you go to apply them. If you are in a hurry and you're buying press-ons from a pharmacy or like Walmart, you can purchase a ball bit for your e-file to etch them yourself to help with adhesion. A lot of them say that they are etched already, and they are not. They're still shiny and slick. So you may want to invest in a ball bit just to take that shine off. When applying glue, you don't want to just add a dot to the center. You want to spread the glue around to cover a nice amount of the nail bed area. When you have the area covered, you want to apply the nail at a 45-degree angle, bring it down slowly, and hold firmly for 5 to 10 seconds. This will allow the glue to bond to your natural nail and the press on. You want to press very firmly. I like to look underneath and blow a little bit, just to speed up the glue so that it can dry a lot quicker. And then I like to roll my thumb back and forth over the nail. So as you can see, because we did that cuticle prep, that nail is sitting flush against the cuticle area and not on top of it. Also, please don't mind that little bit of green polish under my thumbnail. I was working on some nails and got polish on my thumb, and I really wanted to record this video, so I didn't remove it. Just pretend it's not there. I did not etch these last 4 nails just because I plan on taking these nails off immediately. One tip that I want to add that is super important is to keep your hands dry after application for at least 45 minutes to an hour. You don't want to go through this whole process getting a flawless application only to introduce water and completely destroy the bond between your glue and your nails. So I tell people, if you're using press-ons for a date or an event or whatever, get yourself completely together first. That's hair, makeup, get dressed, make sure your house is clean. Anything that you need to do, do it before you apply your press-on nails. That way you can give the glue the proper amount of time to fully bond your press-on to your natural nail. Don't go through this whole process, girl, and then go get in the shower. Don't do this whole thing and then go wash dishes, because you will completely erase all the hard work that you just did. Get everything done first and then apply your nails. And I promise you, with proper application, keeping your hands dry, your nails should last a solid week, if not more. It's not a guarantee because everybody's nail beds are different, but I will say you should get at least 3 days of wear. If you are someone who washes dishes a lot, just get a cheap pair of gloves, dishwashing gloves. If you plan on washing your hair, wear a pair of gloves. These things will prevent water from disrupting the bond between the glue and your nails. You can get cheap gloves from the Dollar Tree. Anything to protect water from getting into your nails will extend the wear. All of our nails have been applied and they look really good. I am going to blow underneath them just to speed up that glue drying. Yeah, so I flip my hand over and just gently blow on that glue. But look at that application. That color is gorgeous, by the way. But That is a really nice press-on application. So if you look underneath, you can see right there where the glue is still wet. Just blow that a little bit and that will speed up the drying process. The next thing that I like to do is I will take my file, whether I'm using the file that came in the kit or just a regular hand file. I like to gently taper in the sides. And when I say gently, I mean gently. If there's any glue that may have seeped out and gotten on the edge of the press on or on your skin, this is a good time to use your file just to get that extra glue off, as well as gently tapering in the sides for a better fit. I'm going to take my dust brush just to remove any dust that got on my nails from filing. To finish off my application, I go in with my hand blended cuticle oil, and this is included in my press on kits. I literally add 1 drop to the cuticle area below the press on nail. I don't put the oil directly onto the press on. I put it on my finger and use a finger to rub it around where I want it to be. I don't want to intentionally get oil under the press on. We have pretty good application and adhesion, but I just like to add 1 drop of oil, and that is more than enough because I am going to go in with a tiny little bit of hand lotion just to moisturize my hands and my around my nails. Once the oil and lotion are rubbed in, I take a lint-free wipe or paper towel just to remove any fingerprints or excess oil that may have gotten on the nails. So here is the final look. This application is beautiful, if I do say so myself. Taking a few extra minutes to do some good prep does make a difference. I did take the polish off of my pinky nail just to show you that there are no air bubbles when you take the time to lay your nail down at a 45-degree angle. So yeah, I hope this video has helped you out. I appreciate you all so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will be back soon with a life update video just to tell you where I've been. I'll see you all again soon in the next one. Bye.